You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to share your real-time temperature on Snapchat using the Snapchat Plus weather sticker. First, you must be a Snapchat Plus subscriber. Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left. Then tap the Snapchat Plus banner or membership card. In the Snapchat Plus features menu, find and tap weather sticker. Toggle the weather sticker on. Now go back to the camera screen to take a snap. Take a photo or video as you normally would. Tap the sticker icon on the right side of the screen. It looks like a square with a folded corner. In the sticker tray, find the weather sticker. It shows a sun or cloud icon with a temperature. Tap it to add it to your snap. The sticker will automatically display the current temperature and weather conditions for your exact location. You can move and resize the sticker on your snap. You can also customize it by tapping the sticker to cycle through different display styles, like showing just the temperature or including the feels like temperature and conditions. Once you're happy, you can send the snap to friends or add it to your story. The temperature updates based on your live location data. For more simple Snapchat tips, subscribe to the channel.